what's up?
Guys, my name is Lery Esteban, the Group 1 group leader. My topic for today is a circle and its parts. Ano nga ba mga parts ng circle? Radius, chord, diameter, secant, tangent, and point of tangency. Simulan natin sa radius. The distance from the center of circle to its outer rim. Chord, a line segment whose endpoints are on a circle. Diameter, a chord that passes through the center of the circle. That length diameter is 2 times the length of a radius. Secant, a line that intersects a circle in exactly 1 point. Tangent, a line that intersects a line in exactly point. And the last, point of tangency, the point where a tangent line touches a circle. That's all, thank you. Pumasok ka na, Christian Roque.
So for today's video, I will show you how to get the center and radius of a circle. This is the equation of a circle in center and radius form. X plus 4 squared plus y plus 3 squared equals to 25. And then the center is -4 and -3. Then the square root of 25 is equal to 5. To graph the equation, we will have to find the center and put it on the graph. So our x value is equals to -4 and y is -3. Connect the 2 points and that is your center. -4 and -3. Then the radius, we will take 5 steps away from the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's how you graph the center of -4 and -3 and the radius of 5.
Oh my God! Wow!
Hi, my name is Jules Benedict Cano. Back at it again to teach you on how to get the center and the radius of these 5 circular objects. Let's go!
First is the dartboard. Let us find the radius and the center of it. The y-axis is 11 and the x-axis is -9. And the radius is, from the center up to the edge, is 7. After we determine the center and the radius, we transform it into the standard equation, which is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equals to r squared, where h is the -9, k is 11, and the radius is 7. And the final answer is x plus 9 squared plus y minus 11 squared is equals to the square root of 7, which is 49. Next is the mirror. Let's find the center and the radius of it. The y-axis is 6 and the x-axis is 5. And the radius is center up to the edge is 3. After we determine the center and the radius, we transform it into standard equation, which is x minus 5 squared plus y minus 6 squared is equals to the square of 3, which is 9. That's the same. Let's find the center and the radius of it, which is 10 and 9, and the radius is 4. After we determine the radius and the center, we transform this into standard form equation. The standard form equation is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equals to r squared, where h is 10, k is 15, and the radius is 4. Then the final answer is x minus 10 squared plus y minus 15 with the radius of 16. Next is the compact disc. Let's find the center and the radius of it. The y-axis is negative 10. The x-axis is negative 7. With the radius of center up to the edge is 6. After we determine the center and the radius, we transform it into the standard form equation of a circle, which is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared, where h is negative 7, k is equals to negative 10, and 6 is the radius. Then we have the final answer of x plus 7 squared plus y plus 10 squared with the radius of 36. Lastly ay ang takip. Let's find the center and the radius of it. The x-axis is 11, the y-axis is negative 10, and the radius is 4.5. After we determine the center and the radius, we transform it into the standard form, which is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equals to r squared, where h is equals to 11, k is equals to negative 10, and 4.5 is the radius, which give us the answer of x minus 11 squared plus y plus 10 squared is equals to 20.25. That's all. Thank you.
I'm Xyrel Suva. Welcome again to our vlog. So next, we are going to talk about the importance of circle in our daily lives. Well, many things in the world are made up in circle shape in order to make it easier to work on. Circle is one of the basic shapes that we can easily figure out. Circle is basically used in our everyday life. One prime example of circle that you can find in real life is a Ferris wheel. All the points along at the outer rim of the wheel are equidistant from the center. Another good example of circle are bicycle wheels. Circles are the best shape for bicycle because they roll very easily because they are round. Well, circle is really symbolically important today because they often used to symbolize the harmony and unity. So now, let's go to the next vlogger, and I'm Xyrel Suva from the group of denominators.
Guys, so we are here now with the final video that I will represent to you. But before this video, you've already watched the topics that's given by my groupmates about circles and its parts, the center and radius of a circle, the Cartesian coordinate system, and the last is the importance of circles in our lives. So, the topic that's given to me is all about what do you consider as a center of your life and why. Maybe for others, they consider the center of their life is family, friends, or other things like gadgets. But for me and for my group mates, we consider the most center of our life is God. Because our life comes from Him. He is the one who gave life to us. And without Him, we are not in this world either. He also with us if we were alone or problems to face. He is also the person who will never leave you. So, let us make a habit to thank Him everything that He is doing to us. Whether it is small or big, we should thank Him always. And the most important is always God's first every time. So, that's the center of our life. So, at the end of this video, we are very thankful that you finished to watch our video presentation up to the end, and please like this video also to support us in our project. And before I cut this video, I have a question for you. What do you consider as the most center of your life? And that's for all. Thank you and goodbye.
What do you consider as a center of your life?
Ano nga ba?